take a look at this. It's actually really good for dogs. It's to cover your couches too. This is very soft, and in one end it actually has a sticky areas, so you can actually set it up on the floor, and it's a lot thicker, so it could rotate in case they get it dirty. It's easy washable. You could just wash it, and my dog loves this mat. So whenever I put this thing in here, I set it up on the couch so he won't leave any hair. He actually lays on it. So very good, very easy to set up. I enjoy it. It's long, it's very long. I'm actually going to put it on the floor. They like it on the floor instead of the couch because, you know, they prefer in the floor. They come and eat, they come and leave as they please, and they enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.